Hey everybody, it's David again from Real Hard Reviews, and today I got something really exciting to unbox, and this is it, the newly announced MSI Gaming X Trio 3060 Ti. This card was kindly sent to us by MSI, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this, and I'll also have a review up later on as well. But for today, let's unbox this card, let's check it out, let's see what kind of goodies you get in this as well, and go from there. So here it is, this is the MSI Gaming X Trio, the 3060 Ti. We're gonna unbox this real quick, see what we got inside for goodies and so forth. So first things first, let's find the actual latch here. Oh, here it is on top. So let's unlatch this bad boy up, open her up, and see what we got inside. So looks like you just gotta slide this out, and here we go. So first things first, let's put this thing away on the side, and as you can see, we have basically the pamphlet here for the card. So inside of this pamphlet, let's check what we got. So these are basically all the little pamphlets here, you know, stickers and so forth, and also instructions set here for if you want how to figure out how to install this card, and you know, little goodies here and there. So let's put this away real quick, and let's put this away inside. Put this on the side for a second here. And then inside the actual, underneath this is the actual card itself. And voila, look at this. Well, first things first you gotta notice is that they also include, from the looks of it, a GPU support mount for your case. So judging based off of this is probably gonna tell me that this card's gonna be a beefy boy. So let's check it out real quick. And let's take out the card. Oh, also, we got little pads here if you want them. Let's put that on the side. And let's check out the card itself. So let's pull this bad boy out. It's gonna be, she's really wedged in there, so give me a sec here. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then inside this box, we have nothing. So that's all you get with this. And let's check out the card itself. Let's pull her out of the sleeving. Oh, there we go. And let's put that aside. And here she is. She is a beauty. Look at that. It's the 3060 Ti. And she is a big boy, I'm not gonna lie, look at this thing. It's definitely a dual 2.5 slot by the looks of it. So most likely 3, so just a heads up. So it's a triple design fan. Pretty sweet looking card, and it's heavy. There's a lot of cooling here, look at that. Look at those fins and heat pipes in there, tons. So that's why this card weighs a ton as well. Also on the back, we have our back plate. Now, MSI has told me this is graphene, so it helps dissipate the heat a little bit better compared to metal and also plastic. Though it does feel like plastic, but it's their new material, essentially graphene. It's pretty nice. And going around here is also, there is a custom PCB actually. It's not the reference design, so just a heads up for that one. And you also get tons and tons of RGBs here. So you get lights here lighting up. You also get lighting here, and also some RGB on here on top as well. So that's pretty nice. On the bottom here is the actual PCI Express. That's pretty cool. So let's put this thing back on. So 3060 Ti essentially has about 4,864 shading units and about 152 tensor cores as well. So this card essentially sits around a 2070 Super to a 2080, give or take performance-wise. So it's a really exciting card for that. Probably perfect for 1080p gaming if you're really looking for that type of games. So, and also it has about 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory as well, and about, if I remember correctly, around 38 ray tracing cores as well. So it's good for ray tracing as well. So that's the main reason for this card. So get some ray tracing ability in this for the price range. And forgot to mention also the price range for this card. So In American dollars, it's around 450 USD. In Canadian dollars, it's around $619, give or take, or 620 Canadian dollars. So for price range, it's not terrible. It's pretty good for what it's worth, considering this is basically a 2070 performance, if not higher. So we're getting a big jump in performance this generation for this type of graphics card. And not gonna lie, you get a lot of graphics card for about 450 USD. And you know what? I can't wait to put this into my computer real quick and do a quick review on this later on and see what we get for benchmarks for this card. I think this card is gonna be the card to get, specifically if you're on a budget for this type of gaming, if you want some ray tracing and so forth. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna put this back in. I'm gonna see how this is gonna behave and how this is gonna work and in my new review. So this basically concludes my unboxing of the new Gaming X Trio 3060 Ti from MSI. I'm super excited to do a quick review on this coming up soon. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button. It helps us a ton in the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you haven't already, then please subscribe and also join us on the Discord channel where we talk about the latest tech. So yeah, this is David from Real Hard Reviews, signing out.